I am feel.
You're feeling it?
Yes.
And it's not working?
Yes.
No.
I need to shine.
You need to shine the light in there?
I need to see back here.
You need to look around? Oh.
I need to go in the shack.
You need to go in there and check?
Yes.
And what's your determination? Is this HVAC okay?
Mama, I need to go down back and fix it.
You need to fix it? Yeah.
I need it.
You need to fix what?
Back there. And I need to fix it everywhere.
You need to fix it everywhere? Yeah.
And I need back there. Just under there and up there.
Yeah. What's this thing called?
The HVAC.
The HVAC. Yeah. Go take a look.
I got Mommy's torch. I got your torch.
Yeah.
This is your
That's
torch.
my torch.
I shine everywhere.
You're shining it everywhere?
Oh, I got that. That is not working.
That's not working?
And you need to shine back there. Oh, no, I need to go back there. Y'all shouldn't do it. Y'all should.
I'm not going back there.
You check going. You check. You check. Broken, not fixed.
It's broken, not fixed?
You shine back there.
Buddy, I think it's just warm enough right now, and that's why it's not turned on.
Broken.
You're very worried about this being broken, aren't you?
This serious about this HVAC.
Yes.
This dying.
It's dying?
Broken.
Oh, no.
Yes. Daddy need to go back to the get the other here. I'll go back there.
He's going to get little and go back there? Okay.
Oh no, that is not working. I will exercise.
Now you're going to exercise? Okay. Why don't you pick up those papers and put them in the trash so you don't slip on them?
I'm gonna be careful.
Okay. Okay, want to say bye-bye, Daddy?
Bye, that poop.
What?
Poop.
You're crazy.
That is the HVAC.
That is the HVAC, yep.
I need some tape, but you fix it.
You need some tape. That's Daddy's job, buddy.
Not
For you
your-
and Daddy. Mommy doesn't fix the HVAC.
You can.
I can? Okay, you can show me. Want to close that door?
This one.
Let's go back to exercising.
This one.
Yeah, let's close those big doors. Say bye-bye, HVAC.
No,
You do it. Okay, okay.
I got it open to me. It's all around in here.
You want to see all around in there? Okay.
I need your phone to shine.
You need my phone. Okay. Look back there. Take a good look.
Oh, I hear that noise.
You heard it?
Yes. About that.
Thanks, bud.
You're